How to download and install WhatsApp on desktop. Hey everyone, this is Rose and I'm here to guide you to download and install WhatsApp on desktop on an easy way. Watch the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more tech and tips videos. Without much ado, let's dive right into the video. First, open preferred web browser on your device. It might be Safari or Chrome. Click on the search bar at top of the screen and type in whatsapp.com. Press enter on the keyboard and you will land on this interface. Now click download button at top right corner of the screen. We need to wait for a while until the file has been downloaded. Now click on the executive files and open it. Once it opens, you need to open the downloaded file to begin installing WhatsApp. Once the download process has been completed, go through the installation process following the on-screen instructions. Once the installation process has been completed, WhatsApp is all ready to log in and use. Click on Get Started to link your WhatsApp from your smartphone. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you are new to our channel, like and subscribe.